Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to show you how to connect your GT106 with WearFit 2.0 app. As you can see, we already downloaded the app. You can download in the Play Store, just search it WearFit. Let's go ahead and open the app. As you can see, immediately we have here some options to connect. We have binding bracelet, third-party login, and enter directly. If you go to bind the bracelet, you can connect immediately, but the data won't be saved. So let's go back. We have here third-party login with Facebook or enter directly. We are going to use this option. You press OK, allow all the access for contacts and phone calls, everything for WearFit. We have now here some instructions. You can see long press drag to favorite middle of about display, and we have pull down to refresh. So as you can see, this is the first page. We have 3 pages here in the bottom. As you can see, the first page is what we have to go and where we have to go and see all the data. We have here with date, as you can see. We have steps here in the first place. We have steps for today. As you can see, the data is right here. We have total distance, total steps, and burned calories, and target for steps. So you can see the data for day, week, or month. Let's head back. We have here sleep. As you can see, same as the steps. The sleep data is the same. You can see here today. We have all these options right here. We have sleep for today, awake, light sleep, and deep sleep. Sleep time, quality sleep, light sleep, and deep sleep as well. And as we saw, we have day, week, or month. Let's go back. We have heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, fatigue, and weekly report. So all of these has the same procedure as we saw on the other ones. So we are going just to show you that everything is exactly the same as we saw to the steps and sleep, and we showed you these tests when we unboxed the smartwatch. So if you haven't seen the video, the link will be down in the description. Go ahead and see that first. So you can see we have here home. This is the first page. We have all the data needed here in this page. The second one is this plus that we have here, and when we press it, it will open up another page. We have take exercise, fun bracelet, and photograph. So we saw when we unboxed that this smartwatch has the photo shooter. So in case you need one, you have right here photograph. You press it and it will start the photo shooter in the smartwatch as well. The third page is me. As you can see, we can click here and put an image. We have height, weight, and step for goal right here. I always say that you have to fill up these personal information correctly, so you have more accuracy in the data that you have, or while you are running or doing these exercises, these data will be more accurate if you have fill up these personal information correctly. So as you can see in the personal information, we have gender, age, height, weight, step length, wear, distance, height or step length, weight, and we have fall asleep, awake. Next we have expression data. You can see right here we don't have any data yet, so you can check that out for yourself. We have connection management, and here is the important port. Press connect band and you can see all of these Bluetooth devices that appear. We have to go and search for available devices. As you can see, GT106. And it says connected. Now we know that it's connected. As you can see, now that is connected, we have the time. It's synchronized with the watch and everything is working perfectly. Let's head back. You can see here the percentage of battery, and we have smart reminder right here, call reminder, message reminder, alarm clock reminder, senator reminder. We have app notification. Let's go ahead here, find the WearFit, allow the notification to come in our watch. We have set quiet hours. We have hand up screen, hourly masser, and firmware update. So basically these are options that you have to customize for yourself and turn them on and off if you need so you have to go through them by yourself. Next we have settings. As you can see, we have 12-hour system, Google Fit, connect, we chat running, clear, cell phone data, a reset bracelet, user agreement, privacy policy, and we have quit here in the end of this app. So you can see basically this app is pretty easy to use, and you have now connect the smartwatch. You just have to go and use it, and if you want to see the data will be right here in this page. So guys, this was all for today's video in how to connect the GT106. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to you all. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.